You made a video and you're wondering why you posted on social media and it's not getting the views that you really want. I get it, it happens, but there are some amazing things that you can start doing right now to get more views on your videos. Hi, my name is Bonitatibus, and on today's episode of Home Care Digital, we're talking about how to get more views on your videos. One of the biggest things when it comes to creating content is that we are building and creating assets with our videos. If we're just creating videos to post, then we are missing the mark. And so here are some ways to making sure that you're actually using the videos that you have and doing it effectively so that you can get more views on them, particularly really driving to your YouTube channel, because that's gonna be your main host for your videos, but there's some other things that you can do here. So when you're creating really any of your videos, whether it's your story or a recruitment video or your content video, maybe specifically around dementia. Last week I talked about the importance of creating content around dementia. Definitely make sure, if you haven't watched that episode, go check it out. There's a PSA in there about dementia that's really important. I want to make sure everyone sees it. When it comes to getting more views, here are some things that you can do. So number one, adding it to your website. So a lot of times when it comes to franchises, that can be a little bit more difficult. But if you're an independent, then you have no excuse. We got to get every single video you have, get it on the website. It's going to help you increase your SEO because Google owns YouTube, so just by having YouTube videos on your website, it's going to increase that SEO. And you can just post your videos as its own individual blogs or have them on different pages. Maybe you have a page that's specifically about dementia, then you put all your dementia videos on that page that talks about dementia. So you can see the impact that you can have by putting them in the places that they're going to get the most views. The other one is utilizing the video feature on your YouTube page. So whichever video that you really want people to see, making sure that you have that front and center. So whatever your featured video is, whenever someone goes to your channel, that's going to get more views. This is usually, I recommend being your about video. That's going to be your highlighted featured video. And I actually do this as a service. I optimize my clients' YouTube pages so that we can set this up so that you get more views, that your YouTube channel looks amazing. So you can have that on there where you can make sure that that video that you want front and center is being seen on a consistent basis. The other one, QR codes. Man, we gotta use QR codes. I did a whole video a while back about QR codes where I talk about home care printing. If you are printing anything, we've got to have QR codes on them. It is a new digital age, and so when you have these awesome videos that you're creating, let's make sure that we're sharing them. Hey, we've got these great videos on our YouTube channel, scan this QR code and go check them out. This becomes this asset, this tool. Put a QR code on your business card that says, check out our videos on YouTube, right? Have people go to your YouTube channel. This is going to consistently drive. You can get a lot of traffic organically from your videos by following some of the steps that I teach in my program that are based off of SEO and search. A lot of my clients are having some really awesome success in that just from search engine optimization and creating the right titles for your videos. But what's really cool to see is that if you do that from an SEO perspective with your direct referral marketing and driving your own existing audience to the channel, it's going to magnify it to a whole other level. The other way that you may consider this is adding it to your email signature. Hey, check out our videos on YouTube. Hey, check out our story video. Hey, check out what our caregivers are saying about us. That becomes really impactful. What's in your email signature right now? A lot of times people have their social media handles there, but no one's clicking that unless you're driving and directing people to go there. So by having a YouTube channel, that becomes so much more impactful because not everyone has a YouTube channel. And if they do, they're not really driving traffic to it because they know that they don't have any videos on there. But if you are creating videos, then we want to make sure that we are driving as much traffic to those videos to get those views, because people are going to be so much more impactful. Yes, we want to drive traffic to our website, but people will only go to the website if they want to contact you. If they're looking to learn or looking for resources, boom, your YouTube channel becomes a really impactful tool for you to leverage. You can email your videos to prospects, right? So I love this one. One of the topics that I often have my clients do is questions to ask a home care agency. I love that one because what that does is if you are talking with a client prospect and they say something like, oh yeah, thank you for your time, I still want to shop around and maybe contact some other home care agencies. You go, oh, I totally understand. I actually have a video, or we have a video that talks about the top questions that you should ask a home care agency. Would you like me to send it to you? Oh yeah, that would be great. So now they go to your video, they're watching your video about all of these questions questions, thinking about you when they end up going to these other home care agencies. So the whole time they're gonna be thinking about you because you then created this content. The other aspect in emailing it to prospects is, again, circling back to that dementia example, that if you talk to someone who has dementia, you can then send them these videos. Hey, we've actually got a whole playlist on YouTube that specifically is about dementia. Would you like me to send some resources? It'll really help you for when you're caring for your loved one. Oh yeah, that would be great, right? That becomes this tool. So now we're sending more and more traffic there to our web. Another one that's actually not on here is utilizing this in your caregiver recruitment and nurture sequences. So if you are doing any type of caregiver automation, which hopefully you are, I did a couple videos with Pre-Intent and they can help with that. So you go check out those videos. Those are really impactful on leveraging automation in your marketing effort. And so you can actually put these videos into your nurture sequences. This is something that a lot of my clients that have created testimonial videos, they're actually using their caregiver testimonials and putting them in their nurture sequences. But you can also put the educational videos for the ones that maybe after a month, right, you don't hear from them, then they just go into a nurture campaign where you're sending an email every month. But imagine if you could send a content video and now they're watching you, they're gonna be so much more likely to come back versus if you're just sending a nurture sequence that says something like, hey, are you still looking for a job? Like, we're still here, right? We can now lead with content, and then that becomes more impactful to getting them. And people are much more likely to watch a video than necessarily they are to read something. So keep that in mind as you're trying to drive more traffic to these videos. The other one, messaging to referral sources. This is a really great one because it becomes really easy when you connect with someone. Oh, by the way, I wanted to tell you a little bit more about me and my story. Here's a quick video that you can go watch. And so now you're just constantly driving more traffic to these videos anytime that you're meeting someone. Oh, by the way, check out some of our YouTube videos. So it becomes this process, and then adding the content on LinkedIn. And this isn't even, I didn't even talk about just like posting it to social media in general and trying to drive more results that way. You know, if you are posting it to your business page, which I recommend, you really want to make sure that you're sharing it to your personal page as well. That's going to help you to get more views as well. But you also want to make sure that you're posting your videos organically to the platform, not sharing YouTube videos on Facebook. Facebook really hates YouTube videos, so do not do that. That will help get more views and making sure that you're uploading the videos natively. But these are the big ones because this one is more focused on things that you can do on a consistent basis that don't actually require any money. Because you could put advertising dollars as well to get more views, but this, from an organic standpoint within your existing network with people that you know, is going to actually drive much better results within your marketing effort to get more views on the videos that you are creating. Are you looking to boost your home care brand? Go to thedigitalchamps.com/brand.